Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. To turn off this watch, first we need to wake up the screen on it, so you can press any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button and the lower button together. So press and hold them together and keep holding them until you see this menu on the screen. And once the menu appears, you can tap on the power off icon right here. At least you should be able to. For some reason it's grayed out. Oh. Is it because it's charging? It might be because of it charge. Yep, okay, it was because it was charging. So apparently you can't turn off your watch if it's charging. So once the icon is not grayed out anymore, tap on it and wait until the watch is done turning off. It will take about, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. Okay, and that's how you turn off this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.